Welcome back to my channel. We'll be starting out with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. We'll be using the Aphogee leave-in conditioner to spray into sections to prepare for the blow dry process. After I put my hair into sections, I do like to take each section and kind of do the pull method when blow drying. I start out on a cool setting before working my way up to a warmer setting. After each section, I do add the Thank God I'm Natural Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. Once that section is to the amount of dryness that I like for it to be, I like to add just a little bit of moisture back into the hair, and then I twist each section back up, and then I proceed on to the next section of hair. Start to add the product for the Flexi rods. First, I will add the ORS hair pudding to the hair. Only about a quarter size amount for each section will do. You don't want to have it too wet or too weighed down. And I also add some of the Doux Mousse Def or Mousse Def mousse to the hair as well. You will see that I kind of struggled with the first roller, actually the first and second one. This was my first time actually flexi rodding my hair, so you'll see here I kinda think I know what I'm doing and I give it a try, but later I actually take it all down and start over. So you'll notice by the second section, I will roll the hair, and I tend to start at the root and then wrap the hair around the flexi rod, then secure it. But I learned later on that it's best to actually just start at the end and then roll the actual flexi rod up to the root of my hair. So I get to the other side and I test out my theory of starting at the end, and I'm struggling, y'all, like struggled, but I figured it out. Just take time and really pace yourself and you'll figure it all out. So at this point I figure out what I'm doing. I have that look of relief on my face. So I'm feeling confident, and I realize like I know what I'm doing at this point. So you secure the roller at the root and then at the end, and proceed to the next section and go ahead and finish the whole head. Bonnet dryer by Golden Hot. I sit under the dryer for probably about an hour and a half. Being that I started with already dry hair, you don't necessarily have to sit under there for an hour and a half. I just like that extra time to make sure that the curls really set, so that when I take it down, I know that each section is dry. All the rollers have been removed, then you want to do is I kind of like to make sure and define the curl as I pull it from each section, so you'll see me kind of shingle it or finger coil it around my finger once I pull them apart. It's going to give you that extra volume and extra fullness to your style. I did want to add that the products together really gave my hair a good hold, and it kept my hair soft at the same time. So if you use just the right amount, you can get a really good outcome. Well, that's the end. I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial. Comment in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions.